สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, welcome to my favorite corners channel. Today I'm gonna do quick unboxing and short review for my latest purchase as I'm not at home. I'm currently on my vacation in Montreal, so I had a chance to buy my piece, which is Chanel, from Heathrow Terminal 5, so I get better deal. So let's get started. This, you can see it's not gonna be a bag. Well, because I just bought my last bag in February, and Chanel policy that I cannot buy a handbag in the next 60 days after my last purchase, so I can only get small leather goods. So this is my small leather goods. Come with the black velvet as usual. It's the wallet on chain in latest season. I think it's pink. It's similar to last year's summer collection, but last year was coral pink, but this one is more pink than orange. I don't know. Let me see if in the video you can, in this video it's slightly darker than the real bag, and it's like gold hardware. The chain, as you already know, that WOC is a bit too long for my petite size. I'm 155 centimeters tall. I'll show you. So it's a bit long because it's down here, but what I will do, I will just use the ribbon. I will show you later. Tied it so it's a little bit shorter for me, which is good. And I like this color over the other one because I'm kind of like into pink anyway. So this is inside, has 6 credit card slot and 1 big compartment, and this little compartment, and 1 zip compartment, and a little one in the front, and also on the back. I chose this one over the other one. If you can see on the website, there's also wallet on chain, but the closure is big CC that you can close, but I choose this one because they have back pocket. Inside is similar, but the different from these two WOCs is the back pocket on the classic one, and this one is the button closure. The zip here is one long compartment, and the lining is the same color as the back, but it's fabric. So I'll show you closer. It's nice though, because first I saw on the website it's kind of like orangey, so I like didn't think, and when I was at the shop also it doesn't look as pink as with the natural light, because in the boutique they have like yellow light, so therefore make the pink into more orangey yellow tone. So once I got it, so this is the closest color from the real bag as I can show you because of the light. In the video, still not the real, but it's closest to the real one. So my suggestion is that you go see for yourself. So this is the Chanel logo here, and where is the serial number, and this one is 25 series. And the price is £1,690, but because I flew out of the EU, I fly from London to Montreal, so I got that free price, which I paid £1,405, so I got about 185 pounds off. I will write down the serial, the reference number of this bag on the description below. So I will show you how I fix my strap. I just use the ribbon that they give you. It depends. If you want so short, then you just tie it like this, but that's gonna be too short. I try already, so I'm not gonna do this tight. It's a bit difficult, but I'll do it roughly so you get the idea. So I almost missed my flight because I didn't know that even though we have British passport, we still need they call ETA, some kind of thing that you have to do online and pay $7 before you enter Canada. So instead that I have like 3 hours browsing, no, I only have 1 hour at the airport because we have to apply for my 4 of us, me and my 3 kids. So, and then I fly from gate B, which you have to take the shuttle train or whatever they call. It's like we ran, but we made it, and it's worth it. So that's a little bit shorter, and this is the right size for me, crossbody. After I tie, see, you can see inside. I tie not too close, if you can see. If you are shorter than me, then you probably tie like this, so it'll be shorter. But if you are tall, then you have no problem. But this is the problem with WOC, with wallet on chain, because the strap is longest. Between classic medium is the shortest strap, and then mini slightly shorter, and then this is a slightly longer than the mini, and then this is the longest strap for the bag. I don't know why. This should be shortest because it's smallest, but that's how they made it. So there you go. My latest purchase, the wallet on chain. I believe it's you call pink. You can, I don't know how they call it, because they just said to me it's pink. So, and if you can get that fit, it'll be a bargain because you get almost 200 pounds off from the retail price. So good luck, guys, and hope you get your bags that you wish for. And don't forget to subscribe so you will see my next video, which I will try to do as soon as I can, because I'm currently on the moving because my husband got a job in Montreal. That's why we'll be moving here. So I might be selling some of my stuff because I don't know if I can take all of my stuff into country without getting tax, but hopefully not. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.